Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extract audio from video on CapCut. So select your project or just select a new project and select a video. Then you are going to select the clip right here and you are going to find the extract audio tab. Just select it, and as you can see you have the audio extracted. If for instance you want to merge them back together, you are just going to select the video and you're going to select recover audio. The audio will still be there, but there's going to be two. So even if you delete it, let me just go back. Even if you delete this and select the video, there's still going to be a recover audio tab. So if you do lose the audio, you can still get it back by pressing that button. But that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!